Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel Unshackling Sudokus and Puzzles. I am Kishore and today we will solve a classic Sudoku. This Sudoku is authored by Ashish Kumar. It was created for the Patreons of his blog Enthralling Sudoku. I will add the link to his Patreon page so that you guys can check out his Patreon page. Now this Sudoku has standard Sudoku rules. There will be 1 to 9 in each row, each column and each box. So with that we will start solving the Sudoku. There is a 1 in row 9 column 4 and a 1 in row 1 column 5. That gives a 1 in box 5. And because of the 5 in row 5, we can pencil mark 5 in one of these two cells, and that immediately gives a 5 in one of these two cells. And because of the 2's in column 8 and column 9, we can pencil mark a 2 in one of these two cells. And 3 in column 6, there is only one cell left because 3 is in box 8, 3 is in box 5, and therefore 3 in column 6 can only be in row 3 and column 6. And there will be a 7 in one of these three cells because of the 7 in row 3. And this is going to only be a 4 or a 7. 1, 2, 6, 3 and 8 have been placed, and 5 and 9 are not possible, so this will be a 4 or 7. And there will be a 3 in one of these two cells using classic rules. 3 is in row 7, 3 is in row 9, so 3 will be in one of these two cells. And using the 3 in column 7, we can deduce that the 3 in box 6 will be in one of these two cells, because this 3 will prevent the 3 from going here, and that immediately gives a 3 in box 9. And 1 along column 9 can only be placed in row 7 column 9. There is no other cell left because 1 will not be here and 1 cannot be here, so 1 will be forced in this cell. And a 7 can be pencil marked in these two cells in box 7, and a 4 can be marked in these two cells because 4 is not in row 9 in box 9. And we can pencil mark some possibilities along column 9 now. 1, 2, 3, 6 and 9 have been placed, so 4, 5, 7, 8 are the left out digits. So this will be 5, 7, 8. This will be 4 and 8. This will be 4, 5 and 8, and this will be 4, 7 and 8. And these two cells cannot be 1, 3, 5 and 9. This cell cannot also be an 8, so this can only be a 2, 4, 6 or 7. But 4 is locked in one of these three cells because 4 is prevented from this cell, so that means along this column, along column 9, 4 will be in these three cells. So this cell cannot be 1, 3, 4, 5 and 9, and it cannot be an 8, so this will only be a 2, 6 or 7, right? It cannot be 1, 3, 5, 9, it cannot be a 4 or 8, so this can only be 2, 6 or 7. And 8 will be in one of these two cells because 8 is in column 7, and in box 6 it can only go in these two cells. That removes the 8 from row 1 column 8. So 1, 3, 5, 8 and 9 are not possible, and 4 is again not possible. So this can only be a 2, 6 or 7 now. And if you look closely at row 2 column 8, it cannot be 1, 3, 5, 2 and 8, and it cannot be a 4 because 4 is locked in these cells. So this can only be 6, 7 or 9, but there is a 7 coming from box 2. So this can only be a 6 or a 9. You can remove the 8 from here. There is an 8 in box 9. And 2, 8 along row 9 cannot be in this box, so it will be forced in one of these three cells. It can be here, here or here. Okay, this is an interesting deduction. In box 8, we can pencil mark 2 in one of these two cells. Similarly, we can pencil mark 8 in one of these two cells because 8 is not in row 8 and 8 is not in column 4. So this means that 2 and 8 combine to form an invisible pair along these two rows, which removes the 2, 8 from this cell. We have 4, 5, 7 in column 1 and 1 and 3 in box 7, and 2 and 8 are not possible now. Actually, in fact, we could have deduced by this that 2 and 8 have been marked here already. So 1, 2, 3, 8 and 4, 5, 7 are not possible. So these two cells will be only be 6, 9 in some order. We get a pair now. And because of this 6, 9 pair, along row 9, we cannot have 6, 9 in these three cells, and we cannot have a 6, 9 here. So 6, 9 will be locked in these two cells. And now we have a 6, 9 pair in column 8. So that removes the 6 from this cell. This can only be 2 or a 7. And this can only be 4, 5 and 7. Row 8, column 8 can only be a 4, 5 and 7. This will also be a 4, 5 and 7. We can remove the 4 pencil mark from the corner. And this will be a 4 or a 5 now. 1, 3, 6 and 9 are not possible, and 7 and 8 are again not possible. So this will be 4 and 5. And this is going to be 4, 5 or 7. But 5 is not possible because 5 is in column 3, so this will be a 4 or a 7. And we have the 2 in column 8 now. So this will give a digit, this will be a 7 now. And along column 9 we can place the 7 now. There is only one cell left. So we have pencil mark 7 in one of these two cells in box 7. So this cell will be a 7 now. And 4 can be placed in box 7 now. There is only one cell left for the 4. So these three cells can be pencil marked now in row 9. 1, 3, 4, 7, 6, 9 are not possible. So there will be 2, 5 and 8 in some order. So this will be 2, 8 because of this 5. And 5 cannot be placed because 5 is in column 3. So this will be a 5. This will be a 2 and 8. One can be marked in one of these two cells in box 4 because 1 is not in column 3 and 1 is not in row 5. So 1 will be in one of these two cells, and 1 can be placed in box 1 now because 1 in row 1 and 1 in row 3 will give a 1 here. And now there is only one cell left for the 3 in column 1. 3 is not in box 7, 3 cannot be in these three cells, and 3 cannot be in row 3. So 3 will be placed here. Now we can remove the 7 pencil mark from here because 7 is placed here. Now we have a 4, 8 pair that gives a 5 in row 3, column 9. And now the remaining digits are 1, 3, 5, 7, 4 and 8 are placed. So the remaining digits are 2, 6 and 9. So this will be a 2, 6 or 9. This will be a 2 and an 8 because 1, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 6, 9 are placed. So 2 and 8 will be placed here. And 4 will be in one of these two cells because there is a 4 in row 8 column 2 and 4 in row 4 column 1. That forces the 4 in box 1 to be in these two cells. So 7 pencil mark can be removed from this cell and this cell. And because of the 4 in row 8, so this cell will be a 5, row 8 column 8 will be a 5, so this cell will be a 4. Now we have a triplet 2, 6, 9 along column 7. 3, 4 and 8 have been placed already, so the remaining digits are 1, 5 and 7. Now 1 and 5 are in row 5, so this will be a 7. These two cells will be 1 and 5. And because of this 7 we get a 4 here. And this will be a 9 because these middle cells will have to be 5, 7 and 9, and 5 and 7 are in row 5, so this will be a 9, and this will be a 5 and 7. So 7 is in row 6, so this will be a 7 and this will be a 5. We can remove the 5 and from the corner cells. this will be 3, 4 and 8 in some order, the middle cells of box 6, because 1, 5, 7 and 2, 6, 9 have been placed. So 3, 4 and 8 would have to be placed, but 4 is in row 4 and row 5, so this will be a 4, and this will be a 3 because 3 is in row 4. And this will be an 8. And now along row 4, we have placed 3, 4, 6, 7, 2 and 8. The remaining digits are 1, 5 and 9, but 1 and 5 are in column 3, so this cell will be a 9. And this cell will be 1 or a 5, but 5 is in column 2, so this is a 5, this is a 1, this is a 1. And along row 5, we have to place 2 and 8, so those will be going here. And the remaining digits are 3 and 6, because of the 3 in column 2, 3 will be in row 6 column 3, and this will be a 6. And now along column 3 we have a 2, 8 pair, and 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 have been placed already, so the remaining digits are 4 and 6, which will be placed here. You can remove the corner pencil marks from these cells. And now 9 has only one cell left in box 1, that will go here, so this cell will be a 2 or an 8, because 4, 5, 6, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 have been placed, and this will be a 2 or 8. Okay, along row 8, 3, 5, 8, 1 and 4 have been placed, and 7 and 9 are coming from column 5, so this cell cannot be anything else except 2 or 6. And along column 6, we have to place 7, 8 and 9. So this cell is going to be 7 or 8. This will be an 8 or 9, and this will be, this will be an 8 or a 9, this will be a 7, 9. Along row 2 we have placed the 9 here, so we'll get the 6 in this cell. So that gives a 2 here and a 9 here, and immediately we get a 9 and 6 to finish box 9, and that gives 8 in row 1 column 2, because we have placed a 2 here, so this will be an 8, and that gives a 2 here, and we can finish box 4 now with the help of this 8, so this will be a 2, and that because of this 8 this will be a 4, this is an 8, and we can finish box 1 now, because 4 is here, so 4 is in row 3 column 3, so this will be a 6. And now we have to place 6 and 8 in these two cells, so this will be 8 because of this 8, so this is a 6, and now 8 in box 8 can be placed in only in this cell, because it cannot be here and it cannot be here, and along row 7 it can only go here, and that immediately gives a 7 here, because we had pencil marked 7, 8 there, so this will be a 9, and this is a 9 using classic rule, and this will be a 6, because of the 6 we get a 2 here, and we get a 7 here. We can remove the corner pencil marks now. Now the remaining digits along row 2 are 2 and 4, 4 is in column 4, so 4 will be here and 2 would be here. 2, 7, 8, 9 have been placed, 1, 3, 4 have been placed, so 5 and 6 would have to be placed here, because of this 5 will go here, and the 6 will go here. Now we can finish the Sudoku by, with the help of this 8, there is an 8 here and a 2 here. And that completes the Sudoku. The Sudoku had some interesting deductions. The tough deductions, if you asked me in the Sudoku, were the 6-9 pair and the 6-9 pair we had in row 2 column 8 and row 9 column 8, which gave us some digits here. So hope you all enjoyed watching this classic solve. If you like the channel, please subscribe. Hope to see you soon.